Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to explain you how to fill UGC NET December 2025 registration form and application form. So very first we need the recent photograph. The file size should be between 10 KB to 200 KB, either in black and white or colored, with 80% face without mask visible including ears against white background. The candidate signature, the file size between 10 KB to 50 KB, and PWD or PWBD disability certificate UDID with the both side in the same PDF. The file size should be between 50 KB to 300 KB. The URL which is provided by the NTA, it's ugcnet.nta.nic.in. Here you will get candidates activity registration for UGC NET 2025. Register yourself. Click on the new registration. The down here the instructions are given for password and for photographs and signature. Click on I have downloaded, click to proceeds. Very first enter the candidate name. The name should be as per your Aadhaar ID or any government ID proof. The father name or guardian name, mother name, date of birth, gender. Then confirm the candidate name, the put up the same name. Then confirm father's name, confirm mother name, confirm date of birth, gender, the contact details, the premises number and name, the residential address as per your Aadhaar ID or any government proof. Select state, district, and enter the PIN code. Electronic communication address, email address, confirm email address, mobile number, and confirm mobile number. Make sure from one mobile number you can register for one applicants only. If the number is already registered with some other candidates, then it will shows error, it is already registered. Then create a password. Yeah, instructions for password. Password must be 8 to 13 character long. Password must have at least one uppercase alphabet, one lowercase alphabet, at least one numerical value, and one special character. It can be exclamation mark, at the rate, hashtag, dollars, percentage, etc. Once you are done with the password, select a security question. Security questions can be: which is the website you frequently visit? What is the name of your first school? What is your favorite color? What is registration number of your vehicle, first vehicle? Which is your favorite book? Which is your favorite sports? What is your birthplace? Any one security question you can choose and answer accordingly. If you forget your password, then this security question will help you to reset your password. After security question, you just need to enter the captcha which is given and click on submit button. Once you click on the submit button, we'll get one review page. In that you have to review your name, date of birth, father's name, mother's name, gender, address, mobile number and email id. Click on I agree, submit and send OTP to verify mobile number. On your mobile number you will get one OTP which you need to enter this in this yellow box and submit registration form. Once you click on the submit registration form, it will shows a window that registration form is completed, application form incomplete, fees payment incomplete, and application number will be given to you. On the left side you can see mobile number verified, verify email ID. So just click on verify email ID and verify your email address. It is recommended to verify your email address. Enter the captcha, submit and get OTP. You will receive OTP on your email ID. Enter the OTP which is sent on your email address and click on the verify. After verification, you will get the same window again stating that registration form completed, application form incomplete, fee payment incomplete, your application number, and here on the left side you can see email ID verified. So click on the complete application form and you will get your application form. Okay, and you will get this application status stating that contact details completed, personal details, identity details, exam and center details, qualification details, additional details applied for, document upload and final submit. All these are incomplete. If you feel this video is going to help you and you understand everything till now, then please subscribe my channel and hit the like button. So start with your personal details. So you just need to verify all the your personal details. Here it's saying, are you a single girl child in your family? So if yes, then click on yes, otherwise no. Nationality Indian. Category as per your categories, general और OBC और ST NT जो भी है वो आप select कर लीजिए. And this then again some basic information they are asking about PWD, annual income, diabetic or not, minority community, Muslim, Sikh, Christian, Buddhist, Parsi, Jain are the minority community. If you are belonging to this community, you can select yes. Then the subject in your post graduation exam, and you have to fill your captcha. Save and next, click on the yes. Then identity details, Aadhaar, provide the Aadhaar card number and confirm with the Aadhaar number. Enter the captcha and submit. Once you click on submit, it will ask, are you sure you want to submit Aadhaar details? Click on OK and you will get exam and center details form. I want to apply for UGC NET December 2025 on the basis of select 4-year undergraduate program or master's degree. And as per the NEP 2020, the 4 years, those who are qualified for 4-year undergraduate program, they can directly apply for NET. सो आई डोंट थिंक कि अभी कोई है ऐसा स्टूडेंट जो कि 4 साल जिसका कंप्लीट हुआ होगा. अगर हुआ है तो वो वहाँ पर अप्लाई कर सकता है, अदरवाइज मास्टर्स डिग्री. द सब्जेक्ट ऑप्टेड फॉर नेट फॉर पेपर 2. So from the list you have to select as per your post graduation subject. Then question paper medium, it's English or Hindi. Then first exam city, first select state and then city. Second exam state and city, third exam city, state and city, and fourth choice for exam state and city. As I am belonging to Mumbai, so I have chosen here Thane, Mumbai, Pune and Nashik. Uh, then father's occupation, father's qualification, mother's occupation and mother qualification. Then enter captcha and save and next. Once you click on the save and next, it will ask, are you sure you want to submit this section? Click on yes. The new form, that is education details, will be open. Here you need to put up the details of your master's degree. With very first is ask for pass status, it's passed or appearing. So if you have passed your master's degree, click on the passed, and if you are appearing or for your master's degree final year, then click on appearing. Year of passing, course stream name, whether in the final year or final result awaited. If you have passed, so it will be the option will be not applicable. Then qualifying exam form from the name of the state, qualifying examination from India, qualifying examination state Maharashtra, board or university name, the university, select the name of board or university as a candidate for whom I am applying. It's from Mumbai University, so it's Mumbai University, MG Road, Fort, Mumbai 400032. The result mode, CGPA or percentage, and fill the details as per your result. Then enter the captcha and click on save and next. Once you click, it's ask for are you sure, so click yes. It will redirect to additional details. Are you a twin and both applying for UGC NET? Then PhD, whether admitted in PhD, yes or no. Research or ex-serviceman details, specialization is if any, whether you possess research experience. So if yes, then select yes, otherwise no. Research, then whether you are an ex-serviceman, no. Enter the captcha and click on save and next. Once you click, again it's asked are you sure, so click yes. Then applied for, so you can here apply for assistant professor, JRF. It is recommended if you are under the age of 30, then apply for assistant professor, JRF and PhD. Then enter the captcha and click on save and next. Again it will ask for document upload, photograph with 80% face without mask, signature. So signature and photograph upload. It's asked for any type of editing or cropping. So if you have your photo is between 10 to 200 KB, then click on upload original and done. So upload image or file uploaded successfully. The same for signature also. If it is between 10 to 50 KB, then click on upload original. See, edited image is 6.5, is less than 10 KB, so it's better to click on upload original. Enter the captcha and click on save and next button. Do you wish? So yes. Please review the following information. So review all the information provided by you and verify your name, father name, category, subject applied, person with disability, contact details, examination cities, date of birth, education details, gender, and applied for. And review full details before click on I agree. Click on I agree, final submission, and here fee payment is incompleted. So if you feel you need to edit application form, you can edit. Otherwise, go for pay examination fees, online payment, and proceeds for payment. Are you sure? So yes, here you will get different payment gateway. You can choose any one gateway, and it is recommended to use the UPI payment as it doesn't charge any additional amount. Once you are done with payment, it will shows your transaction status is success, remittance information form, and wait for sometimes it will redirect to UGC NET website, and here fee payment completed. You have completed all the steps of online application form. Now you can download. Click on download information page, review the full details. Then on the very top you will get two options. Click here to send confirmation page on your email address, and click here to download confirmation page, है ना. सो दोनों भी करके रख लो, पहला ईमेल भी कर लो अपने आप को. इट विल टेक सम टाइम्स, एंड देन क्लिक हियर टू डाउनलोड कंफर्मेशन पेज. तो डाउनलोड करके भी आप पीडीएफ अपने पास रख लो. सो कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन, यू हैव सक्सेसफुली filled the UGC NET form. If you feel this video is helped you, so please hit the like button, share with the others, and subscribe my channel.